Hongniu Laser has introduced large-scale gantry milling equipment, which can be used for processing 26-meter equipment. Machine bed quenching enhances the hardness, wear resistance, and overall mechanical performance of the machine bed. Gantry milling, processing, high-precision carving, ensuring millimeter-level controllable precision. Professional heat treatment, optimizing metal structure, enhancing impact resistance, and strengthening structural stability. Shot blasting process, removes impurities, enhances texture. Spray painting, rust removal, dual protection, isolation of corrosion, durable and long-lasting. Environmental protection technology, independently developed blowing suction dust removal technology, ensuring efficient production while safeguarding green ecology.